Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will be discussing 10 healthy facts about celery. Celery is a treasure trove of health benefits that can enhance your overall well-being, whether you munch on it raw, toss it into salads, or blend it into smoothies. Celery offers a range of nutrients and flavors that can revitalize your meals, with its crisp texture, hydrating properties, and versatile uses. Celery is a must-have in any kitchen. Let's get started. Number 1. It is a nutrient powerhouse. Celery is a nutritional powerhouse, providing a wide range of essential nutrients in every 100-gram serving. Celery contains 23 calories, 0.8 grams of protein, 6 grams of carbohydrates, 3 grams of fiber, and 0.1 grams of fat. Additionally, celery is a great source of vitamin K, providing 20% of the recommended daily intake for adults. It also offers a good amount of vitamin C, potassium, and folate. Number 2. Excellent for weight loss. For those looking to lose weight, celery is an excellent addition to any diet. With only 23 calories per 100-gram serving, it is very low in calories and can help you feel full and satisfied without consuming a large amount of calories. The high fiber content of celery also aids in weight loss by promoting a feeling of fullness and supporting healthy digestion. Number 3. Supports bone health. Celery is rich in vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in maintaining strong and healthy bones. Studies have shown that adequate vitamin K intake is essential for preventing bone loss and reducing the risk of fractures. The calcium content in celery also contributes to bone health, making it an excellent choice for those looking to maintain strong bones and prevent osteoporosis. Number 4. Promotes healthy digestion. The high fiber content of celery makes it an ideal food for promoting healthy digestion. Fiber adds bulk to the stool and helps to keep things moving smoothly through the digestive system. This can help prevent constipation and other digestive issues. Additionally, celery contains water and other nutrients that contribute to overall digestive health. Number 5. Supports heart health. Celery is a good source of potassium, which is an essential nutrient for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Studies have shown that consuming enough potassium can help lower the risk of heart disease and stroke. The nitrates in celery also play a role in maintaining healthy blood pressure and improving blood flow. Number 6. Reduces inflammation. Celery contains compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties, which means it can help reduce inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation has been linked to various health problems, including heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. By incorporating celery into your diet, you can help reduce inflammation and promote overall health. Number 7. May help prevent certain cancers. Some studies suggest that the phytochemicals in celery may have anti-cancer properties and can help protect against certain types of cancer, including stomach cancer, colon cancer, and breast cancer. While more research is needed, adding celery to your diet may be a simple and effective way to reduce your risk of developing certain cancers. Number 8. Supports brain health. Celery is a good source of folate, which is an essential nutrient for brain health. Folate has been shown to improve cognitive function and memory, and it may also help reduce the risk of dementia and Alzheimer's disease. The antioxidants in celery also play a role in protecting the brain from damage. Number 9. May improve sleep quality. Celery contains a compound called apigenin, which has been shown to promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. Studies have also found that consuming celery before bed can help people fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Number 10. Versatile and easy to incorporate into meals. Celery is a very versatile ingredient that can be easily incorporated into a variety of dishes. It can be eaten raw or cooked, and it can be added to salads, soups, stir-fries, and more. Its mild flavor and crunchy texture make it a great addition to any meal. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and share. Have a wonderful day.